Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the law of attraction and does it work. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the law of attraction and what it is and does it work. So the law of attraction is something that people say that if you focus on something and you focus on anything, you are going to get drawn towards it. So whether that's negative or whether that's positive. And I think that's, it absolutely works. Like I'm a real believer of the law of attraction. But when I first heard of it, I wasn't too sure. I think probably like everyone else, like, you're not aware that your mind is so powerful. But then when you think about it more and more and you realize that the people who really make it and like really succeed in life, and it doesn't matter if it's, business or sports or something completely different, people that succeed in life are usually the people that believe they can do something. And, and you see all the people that, have all these negative thoughts. Like I know of people like that and they always have more and more and more issues. Like it's crazy. Like they have something and they focus on that and then they get something worse and worse and worse. And it's just something really crazy. But what's good about that is you can go into something completely different and go the other way around, which is positive. So if you focus on not having money, it's not going to help you. But if you focus on, okay, I don't have as much money as I would, but I'm working towards it. I still have a little bit of money, so I could get more, I could save more, I get more money, and then that's just how you're going to get more. Obviously, it doesn't stay that way. It's not just like thinking and money's going to fall into your bank account. You will have to take the actions to get towards it, because if you don't take any action, then you're not going to get anywhere. But if you really do focus on something and you really want to get ahead of yourself and get something more than you have, focus on what you already have. And obviously you do want to have goals and reach out for your goals, because that's going to bring you what it takes to actually do the work to get there. But you really have to believe that you're going to get more of what you have, and whatever you don't have, you're going to get it, because you're getting towards that. And the closer you get, the faster you'll get there, basically, because you'll really believe that you can absolutely do that. So whenever you have these negative thoughts, just try and change them over and just get into something positive, because that will help you get really, really positive and get closer to whatever your goals are. Because I know this channel is about how to make money online and passive income, but it can be anything in your life. Whatever you want, you really have to focus on it and get closer and closer to whatever you want to have. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.